looting, mass mobilizations. This works. This works, and this is a victory.
Prior to the judge decision, I actually was very startled and concerned in terms of the prosecution, how they wanted to make this case other than what it was about. They tried to turn it into a terrorism case, in which this was not a case about terrorism, but was about immigration. So I'm glad that Ms. Odeh's bond was not released, and that she will have the opportunity to appeal not just the conviction, but also the sentencing that was imposed by Judge Drain. The precedent has already been set, and I think it's very important for the broader American public to really understand the political climate that we are in right now, in which there are communities of color that are being targeted. And to this day, we still have two tiers of justice here in the United States of America. Those who have privilege and enjoy privilege, and then the rest of us who aren't in that privileged group.
Well, I think it's sad that Rasmea was not able to tell her story that she told in court today in front of the jury. And in fact, she was punished for any words that sort of went into her background and her torture and so on. But I felt like 18 months in federal prison is a tough sentence, but given what the government was asking for, the fact that the judge did not go as far as the government wanted is one small consolation. Another is that Rasmea will remain free to go back to Chicago today with all these people who came with her, and I think that's another consolation for her and the community.
This is an example of how people power does work, and it's an example of how when the prosecution agrees with us that she should be kept out with her bond, and the bond should be extended pending appeal. I mean, that's a victory. We feel like we've done a pretty good job of bringing the case of Palestine out in the public through Rasmea's case, and we're going to continue to challenge the ultra-right and anybody else who doesn't support Palestinian rights. She has a right to tell her story. Palestinian people have the right to tell theirs, and that's what we're going to continue to do. The judge decided to sentence her to 18 months and revoke her citizenship, but he stayed the sentence. So she did not get incarcerated today. He did not put her in handcuffs. She will be out with us while we appeal, continue to do our political work on the streets, and while the lawyers do their appeal work, and we're confident that we're going to win this thing.
I feel happy that I'm with you. We will continue together to work for the appeal. I'm positive that we will win our appeals, to appeal the sentence, to appeal everything. So with your support, with you beside me, everything will be easy and we will win together.
Yes.